Welcome to my English study channel. Here you'll learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. See the word. Hear the word. Say the word. Practice often to remember all words better. The more you practice, the better you will become. Welcome. Ready to become a pro at English verbs? In this series of lessons, we will explore the exciting world of English verbs. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, we've got something for you. So come on, let's dive in and start learning. Don't forget to subscribe to my English study for more fun lessons. Alright, let's begin. English verbs. Part 1. To say. To say. I say, hello, when I meet someone. To say. To think. To think. What are you thinking about? To think. To give. To give. I give my friend a present. To give. To look. To look. Look there, it's a bird. To look. To work. To work. My sister works in an office. To work. To need. To need. I need to go to the toilet. To need. To ask. To ask. Can I ask you a question? To ask. To understand. To understand. I do not understand. To understand. To try. To try. Do not give up. Try until you succeed. To try. To call. To call. Please call me later. To call. To turn. To turn. Please turn right at the next intersection. To turn. To help. To help. Let me help you. Grab my hand. To help. To move. To move. I move my arms and legs when I dance. To move. To play. To play. Let's play outside in the park. To play. To live. To live. In which country do you live? To live. To read. To read. I like to read books in my free time. To read. To buy. To buy. I want to buy new shoes for my sister. To buy. To clean. To clean. I clean my room every day. To clean. To wait. To wait. The plane is late, I have to wait. To wait. To learn. To learn. Let's learn new English words together. To learn. To cut. To cut. He likes to cut his hair very short. To cut. To throw. To throw. I throw the ball to you. Catch it. To throw. To smile. To smile. I smile when I see my friends. To smile. To fight. To fight. Please don't fight with your friends. To fight. To fly. To fly. Planes can fly very high in the sky. To fly. To dream. To dream. I dream of going on holiday. To dream. To cry. To cry. I cry when I cut onions. To cry. To wash. To wash. Please wash your hands before eating. To wash. To show. To show. Show me the way home. To show. To worry. To worry. Don't worry, be happy. To worry. Part 2. In this part, we show the picture, and you say the word. Are you ready to become a master of English verbs? Can you name them all? Okay, let's find out. To say. To say. To think. To think. To give. To give. To look. To look. To work. To work. To need. To need. To ask. To ask. To understand. To understand. To try. To try. To call. To call. To turn. To turn. To help. To help. To move. To move. To play. To play. To live. To live. To read. To read. To buy. To buy. To clean. To clean. To wait. To wait. To learn. To learn. To cut. To cut. To throw. To throw. To smile. To smile. To fight. To fight. To fly. To fly. To dream. To dream. To cry. To cry. To wash. To wash. To show. To show. To worry. To worry. Bravo! Excellent! We hope you enjoyed learning these new English words. Please watch other videos on our channel and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watching this video every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. We've also created for you a short video featuring all the words from this episode to help you quickly refresh your memory. Please check it out in our shorts section. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.